Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
8 common phrasal verbs with burn. Like and subscribe to the channel. Burn out. Meaning, to become exhausted or lose energy, often due to overwork or stress. Examples: if you don't take a break, you're going to burn out. She burned out after working long hours every day. Burn down. Meaning, to destroy something, usually a building, completely with fire. Examples: the old barn burned down last night. Firefighters worked quickly to stop the house from burning down, but the damage was severe. Burn off. Meaning, to get rid of something, especially calories, through exercise or activity. Examples: I went jogging to burn off the extra slice of cake I ate. The morning fog will burn off as the sun gets stronger. Burn up. Meaning, to destroy completely by fire, or to feel extremely hot, literally or figuratively. Examples: the meteor burned up as it entered the atmosphere. I'm burning up with fever. Burn through. Meaning, to use up something quickly, especially money or resources. Examples: he burned through all his savings in just a month. The fire burned through the wooden fence, leaving only ashes behind. Burn out on. Meaning, to lose enthusiasm or passion for something after doing it too much. Examples: she burned out on her favorite video game after playing it every day. She burned out on social media after spending too much time online every day. Burn in. Meaning, to operate a system or device for a period to ensure it works correctly. Often used in technology. Example: they're burning in the new servers before deploying them. Burn back. Meaning, to control a wildfire by burning vegetation ahead of it, creating a firebreak. Example: the firefighters used a burn back method to stop the spread. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,